Saturday morning, and it is still snowing. Look at that. Crazy. Oh, nice. So, I'll find out what the totals are and update again. But, we got some snow. So pretty. Snowblowers are going like mad all over the place. Big tractor. And there's our snow thrower. Okay, I love you, bye.